So yes, hi guys. So I quickly shot for my other channel. Yes, so I shot outside in my garden today. So right now, yes, so it's supremely hot here. Yes, I turned off the tube lights and I really love these yellow lights. So yes, I put them and I'm also quickly, cooking the dinner. So I am making dal makhani, but today I am making with only moong. Yes, I'm making with just moong. Yes, so yeah. So I'm also just planning to remove all of my outfit and just quickly get into my night outfit. And yes, so we are in my bedroom. Yes, so quickly just get into my night outfit. By the way, this is the dress I'm wearing. See, it's a short dress. It's a cute blue dress, short dress. I am planning to, wash my makeup brushes today, which I have right here. Yes, so I'm just planning to. I'm still organizing this home, so it's going to take me some time. Yes. So okay guys, this is practically the next after 2-3 days. So anyway, I am going to wash my makeup brushes and let them going to leave them for air drying. Yes, overnight. Yes, so that I can shoot more content. Yes. So anyway, I'm wearing this satin nightie from Clovia. Yes. So let's get to my underwater washroom. Yes, so this is the satin night suit that I'm wearing. Yes, it's very comfortable, very easy breathy. So I like to wear this in the night. It's very supremely comfortable. Yes, so I'll give you guys the partner code right here, so you can use that. Yes, so yes, this is my underwater washroom. So I got my mirror fixed here, which changes lights, so that I can do my changes to yellow light and it changes to white light. Yes, so I can do my makeup right here. Yes, so I showed you my makeup, all of my makeup brushes in this pouch, the Morphe pouch. So I'm also going to wash my beauty sponges. So because I don't have any of my the brushes thing which I use in Hyderabad to dry, I am going to use this box that I have right here. So it has a lot of holes and all. So I'm going to, I'm just going to wash this right now. I'm going to put all of the brushes in this and all of my beauty sponges in this. But before that, I'm going to put my hair up. Yes. So let's get started. So the first thing that I am going to wash is the box, so that I can put everything. Yes.
Give me Just give me the word. You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like. You know I don't play right. I'll put up a good fight. Just give me the word. You know I don't play right. You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like.
Okay, so I am done. Yes, but all of the brushes have my eyeshadow on them. So because this tub has holes right here, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the shampoo and wash all of the ends of the brushes as well. So you can see all of the the brushes have my highlighter. So I'm going to wash these. Yes.
Back when I feel like.
So now they are squeaky clean. So I'm gonna leave these overnight for them to air dry. Yes, they're very clean. So I washed all of them. I removed all of the highlighter. Yes, so now it's time to wash my beauty blenders. Yes, they are very dirty, so I'm going to use a lot of shampoo. Yes.
You know I don't play right. Just give me the word. You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like. You know I don't play right. I'll put up a good fight. Just give me the word. You know I don't play right. You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like. Get back when I feel like.
So yes guys, I'm done with my makeup brushes washing. So I've kept them here to air dry. Yes, on the cooler. Yes. So I'm gonna leave these to air dry. And also I was other day not finding my kajal. I found it here. So I just quickly gave it a wash because I think some highlighter or something broke. You know, highlighter went inside all of my brushes. So that's squeaky clean. So I'm gonna leave it to air dry. I'm gonna turn on the fan here. So yes.
Somewhere I kept myself.